Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to the episode number 5 of the Arsenal Career Mode over on FIFA 21. Last episode was a good episode for us, and we just kept on winning as we bet Leeds, then Newcastle drew with Brighton. But yeah, we had a good month, and now this episode is gonna be a biggie because we play Liverpool in the Prem and then Manchester United. So it's gonna be a big episode. This United Liverpool in the Prem. So if you're excited for the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the latest contents. And before we start, Nicola Pepe wins the player of the episode of the last episode. Second award is won in the last two episodes, and he's done extremely well. In terms of goals, if you look, probably like Aubameyang should have won the award. He's got 10 on goals already. But Nicolas Pepe had a different influence to the game and was extremely good. And by the way, I got a comment about our youth academy prospect Potts. So he has already grown in his overall, and I didn't show you guys. I've put him on a development plan of an inverted midfielder. So that's that, and I'm gonna be playing him. If we get an offer for him, then we'll see about that. But I have intent on playing Potts. So yeah, that's that. And currently we're seventh in the league. That's not where we wanna be. So today's game is gonna be big against Liverpool. It's an absolute big, and I'm starting my number one team. There's no compromise at all out here. Number one team starts. Liverpool are starting their number one team. Earlier in the season, we played out an exceptional 3-all draw in the Carabao Cup. We won on pens, but this time around it's gonna be difficult. So yeah, let's begin with this Arsenal versus Liverpool at the Emirates. Here it is then, Arsenal versus Liverpool at the Emirates. Here, Salah is in the building. It's gonna be a tough fixture, but we've gotta win this. This is a very important game for us. We're currently 7th in the league because we had a terrible start to the season, and that's why we're currently 7th in the league. But we wanna climb up to the top 4. We wanna climb up the position. 7th is not where we wanna be. So yeah, let's get started here. And Ior gets the nod ahead of Martin Odegaard. I was actually thinking of playing Odegaard, but then I just thought, let's give Ior the game in this one. Let's see what he can do. So yeah, there's that. And Liverpool now straight away with Thiago Alcantara on the attack. That's well defended from Pau Torres. That, and Pepe can get it out of danger, but Thomas Partey has given it away to Jordan Henderson. 1-0. Liverpool take the lead, and it's Bobby Firmino who takes the lead. And terrible football from us, and we're down in no time here. In no time, Liverpool are ahead of us, and we're struggling. They're just such a good team, Liverpool. But in the second half in the Carabao Cup match, we found out there are gaps in this Liverpool team. So we tried to expose that, and as they just widened up, we saw there are gaps. Saka not able to do what he likes to that there. Now a long ball in, Henderson has done well, and now he's gonna give it to Mohamed Salah up against Gabriel here. Here's Mo Salah. Here is Jordan Henderson. That's well done. Thomas Partey there. And Pepe has given it away. There's extreme pressure out here then. Salah. Oh, come on. Outrageous. This was 2-0 down in no time. How has this happened? Yeah, we actually are struggling for our lives, no doubt. And here comes Liverpool's third. This game is done. This game is absolutely done. We ain't gonna be ahead from that. This game is done. Lacazette now running alone. Is no support. Look at Aubameyang. Where even is Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang here? This is good play from Lacazette, but Nowhere to be seen Aubameyang, and eventually we lose the ball. Outrageous. We're just losing 3-0 at home to Liverpool. Guess that's the progress we gotta make. And I'm gonna make some subs because I'm gonna give Potts a chance. Martinelli starts up top. And guess we bring in Martin Odegaard because there's no point in holding Odegaard back. Making 3 substitutions, I don't expect to come back into this game, but yeah, let's just try and get some pride, get a consolation goal. The scoreline looks much better if we get one. So yeah, there's that. And here's Thiago. He's running like outrageous here. This is outrageous football. Odegaard trying to come on Mane here. Here's Andrew Robertson. Back in for Robertson. Robertson keeping the ball with ease here. Liverpool around our pen box. Thomas Partey as well. Win the header. Doesn't win it. That's exceptionally done here from Burn Leno, and Potts fouled. Come on. Potts did really well there. He's a very talented individual, Potts. He just got past the defender like he wasn't even there, to be fair. Trent Alexander. Oh, that's well done from KT. But that's a foul on Kieran Tierney by Trent Alexander-Arnold there. Oh no! It's a KT foul. Oh, Salah. You know what you're gonna do, Mo. You're gonna whip one in and do this. 4-0. Potts is injured now. Oh my god, look at Potts. He's absolutely done. Potts, no. Oh, this is outrageous here. We are getting done absolutely by Liverpool. And you know what, guys? There's no point in this. There's no point in staying. We at least get a consolation goal. 4-1. We've got dismantled, destroyed by Liverpool. I'm absolutely fuming. Not happy with this at all. But hopefully the Potts injury ain't too serious. Please, Potts. No. Don't get injured. Nah, he ain't injured for long. So yeah, let's just move on, I guess. Not in a good enough team for Braga. I'm gonna be simulating this. We've got Martinelli, Lacazette up top. Potts makes a start. Odegaard, Xhaka, Willian, Gabriel, Torres, Maitland-Niles, Tierney and Leno. We should come away with a dub. Come on. And it's a draw. Willian gets a goal. Lacazette, Aubameyang misses a pen, which ain't what you expect from Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. But I had to give rest to many players because we've got Man United game coming soon. We're currently lagging out in 8th in the league. We gotta get ahead of 8th. Come on. We just gonna have to get a tactical change, a formational change to us, where we are gonna play with only one striker, that is Aubameyang, and we're gonna play Smith Rowe at camp. So that's a tactical change I've made. I haven't been able to give Smith Rowe as many matches as I would have liked to because of the poor start. I've had to go with number one team all the way. So that's why. But here is Smith Rowe, and that's a bright start here. Husamawa or Aaron Van Bissaka does extremely well there. Bruno Fernandes is the danger man. He is too OP on FIFA sometimes, Bruno. Especially in career mode matches, I've seen him destroy opponents. So hopefully nothing like that happens with us. And now here goes Pepe cutting inside. That's what Nico Pepe likes. And he's seen Bukayo. Here is Bukayo Saka. And here is Emil Smith Rowe. It falls back to Saka. He's given it back to Pepe now. There's no space for us. Here's Emil Smith Rowe. Emil Smith Rowe on his left foot. Straight at David De Gea. But he's so important. And in here, what a challenge. A last inch challenge by Kieran Tierney. An outrageous one. And now, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang could be through. Aubameyang is faster than Harry Maguire for sure. and gets it there. What a goal from Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. The front flip comes. Emil Smith-Rowe with the assist. That's why Emil Smith-Rowe is playing. Just puts Aubameyang through. Maguire is slow. And for a second I was actually confused where to hit this one. But Aubameyang does the work for us. And Arsenal take the lead at Old Trafford. Get in. Here's Marcus Rashford. Saka can run at AVB. And now he can play in Aubameyang. Harry Maguire is too slow for Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, who finishes it into the top bins. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang has done it. What an absolute scorcher of a goal from Aubameyang. Turned and thrusted into the top bins from Auba. What a player he is. What an absolute player he is. Gets a brace at Old Trafford. And in real life he won at Old Trafford. And here also it looks as though we're on our way to victory. But nothing is sure in FIFA. You can't underestimate them. Pau Torres, come on Pau. Do better. Here is Rashford. Emerson, oh that's well defended from Emerson. Concedes a corner. But anyway, that's well defended. Handful for defenders, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Now, McTominay is off and they've brought in Pogba. So, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, you can see, is making attacking changes on attacking changes. And that's well done. And Houssem Aouar now, he can release Emil Smith-Rowe, but the ball doesn't go as far as intended to. Here is Rashford. Oh, that's fallen for Cavani. And that's extremely well done from Kieran Tierney. He's done absolutely amazing there. And sometimes having a pacey centre back can help. And now oh that's a mistake from Wan-Bissaka. And now here is Bukayo Saka here. Can put in a delivery in towards Smith-Rowe. And Ainsley Maitland-Niles can take the corner. I'm gonna make some subs here. Aubameyang, I want Aubameyang to be playing. So Odegaard is gonna come in, and Potts, I love Potts, Matthew Potts, he's an exceptional talent. He's gonna get a chance now. So it's a chance for Potts and Martin Odegaard to impress, because Smith-Rowe has really impressed me. And next time if I have a chance to pick a cam, it's probably gonna be Emil Smith-Rowe. So Odegaard now has a chance to impress me as well. So here goes Martin Odegaard now on the front foot. And Odegaard, oh my days, that's a goal of the season contender. Oh my god, Martin Odegaard has scored an absolute peach. Oh, I said he needs to impress me. Boy oh boy, has he done it. Look at that. Cutting onto his left foot. What a shot. Oh, finessed it. Absolute jaffa for Martin Odegaard. Ha ha ha. We are at Old Trafford. We've absolutely dismantled Man United. And Martin Odegaard with a potential goal of the season contender. And here he comes again. Oh, come on. I wanted to release Potts. But that didn't happen. But 3-0 at Old Trafford. What a performance from us. Losing to Liverpool, the comeback was on. Aubameyang, the man of the match. 6 shots, 6 on target, 3 goals. Amazing. Let's go to the next match now. Position that we would want to be in. But yeah, it is what it is. If we beat West Ham, we can climb up the table further. And also, there's no point like beating United at Old Trafford 3-0 and then going on to like lose to West Ham or drop points against West Ham and lose the advantage you took against United. So this is a very important game, and this is a important game from someone like a Potts, and he played in a good ball to Kieran Tierney early on. KT couldn't play it on for Lacazette there, but Potts with a decent start. And West Ham, West Ham, they're a counter-attacking team. They've got pace on the counter-attack. They've of course got the Lord Lingardinho with them as well. And that's extremely well done. And here's Pablo Fornals. That's a great save. Leno, we were in trouble there. And Martin Odegaard can sweep it away. But that was a good chance there for West Ham, and they could have caused a havoc for us there. But now Potts he's released it for Kieran Tierney. Now Kieran Tierney in here is Martinelli. He's played it in towards Potts, who's tried to put in a delivery, but it's straight in the hand of the keeper. So yeah, it's been a positive start to be fair. And here's Gabriel Martinelli. Let's just go from distance. Wasn't too far away that from Gabriel Martinelli. Just thought that why not go from distance there. So yeah, we've made a decent start, but West Ham have had the better of the opportunity. You have to say that. And now Pepe, I don't know why. Oh, Nico Pepe, he's stolen it there. And here goes Pepe. Can cut back onto his left foot. No real options available. Now here's Thomas Partey. He's captaining us today. Thomas Partey. I probably should have given it to Kieran Tierney and Odegaard again. That was way too audacious from me. That was way too audacious. I don't think Odegaard would have done it. Low backlift, not much space. But when you hit a goal like that, that's my best goal on FIFA 21. Yeah, I have it at least from a left footer. But here is Derek Dogdovich. And oh my god, he's beaten Leno from there. How has this Dordovich guy beaten Leno from there? Too fast for Rob Holding and Pau Torres. And he's done it. He scored. Boys, we've absolutely struggled here. And I'm gonna make a change here. I'm gonna make a formational change. And I'm gonna play the 4, not this. Where's the formation I wanted? Well, I think it's gone up. 4-2-5-1 flat. Or was it this? Or was it this? Well, I'm not too sure. Yeah, this formation. Let's change it. Potts is gonna go there. Pepe is gonna go there. Odegaard in for Martinelli. And we're gonna bring in Husemawa. And yeah, that's gonna be my formation now. So we have, I just don't know. Lacazette. Now, oh, Husemawa has scored. I know it was a weird substitution to bring in Awa for Martinelli, but Husemawa has done it. He scored, and Lacazette putting in a wonderful ball, and Husemawa showing the keeper the wrong way. And I told you guys, it looked a weird sub, but it has worked at the end of the day. So you take it how they come. And really like the way we built that goal around. Potts was involved. Of course, he was the one who played in Lacazette, who could then play in Iowa. And now Iowa is played in Potts now for Odegaard, and here goes Potts. He ain't the quickest Potts, but what he's got is this. It's in from Potts, in from Kieran Tierney. Oh my god, Potts. Jesse Lingard, what is Lingard doing there? Potts nearly put in a wonderful delivery now. And it's gone out for a corner now. And we're gonna make some substitutes now. We're gonna be making substitutions here. Now Bukayo Saka comes in there. Or do we bring in Smith Rowe or Saka? No, we'll bring in Saka and Aubameyang up top. So now we've got pace now. We've increased the pace in us. And now it's do or die here. And it's fallen out to Kieran Tierney, who's given it to here's Partey. He's played it in, and West Ham, and opportunity. Oh my god, magnificent opportunity for Husemawa. Couldn't convert it. Husemawa just couldn't convert it. And it's a 0-all. It's a 1-all. And we've lost a chance to get above the likes of Chelsea and all. Let's see where we are currently. And we are currently 7th. If we had got the points, we had closed the gap up to Leicester, but we couldn't do it. We're still ahead of Chelsea though. We've drawn too many games, and yeah, it is what it is. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, drop a like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of the latest content. So yeah, until then, bye bye, and yeah, I'll see you later, and enjoy.